This is Camo Pigeon 342, and today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom summerboard theme. First thing you have to do is you either have to find a SSHing program that works for you, or you can download iPhone browser if you're on PC, which is a hard connection. If you do that, you're going to have to install something called Ziphone ibrickr fix or something like that. I'll put the source in the video description. You can download it from there. So once you find a program that you're comfortable with, then you're going to go open it up, connect to your phone, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go into the file var, then mobile, library, and then scroll down to summerboard, click on the themes file, and all your themes are going to be in here. So what you need to do is you need to click on a theme, any theme really, just download one that has some icons or some backgrounds, stuff like that. So I'm going to pull out Louis Mantia. So I'm going to right click that, I'm going to save folder in, and I'm going to find a spot to save it, and once I do that, save it in my summerboard folder. So I took Louis Mantia, I saved it to my computer. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the folder where it's saved at. So there it is, there's Louis Mantia. So I can open that up, and this is the icons for it. This is the dock, the mini dock, the status bar, and the wallpaper. Now once you have all this on your computer, you can edit them. So I'll right click the dock, and I'll go open with, and you can open it with whatever you want to open it with. I prefer to use Photoshop because Photoshop's a hell of a lot better than Paint. Okay, so now that I got Photoshop open, I can edit it, I can do whatever I want with it. Duplicate layer, okay, get rid of that one, and then we'll go filter, render clouds. Alright, filter, render different clouds. Alright, so now we got this crazy looking dock, and I'll make it show the transform controls, and I'll make it go all, we'll leave it like that. Okay, so now what we gotta do is we're gonna file, save as. Now here's the thing, it has to be saved as a .png file. So you're gonna go into the format, you're gonna click all these list of them, then look for PNG, and then make sure it saves as doc. So it's gonna be capital D and then lowercase of the rest of it. So you're gonna press save, and it's gonna ask if you want to overwrite, say yes, click OK, blah 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 blah. So now I don't want to save a Photoshop document of it. So there's the doc, there's the one I just created. So I can do the wallpaper, and we'll go open with Photoshop. Oh, didn't like that one. Didn't like it. You know what? I'm going to click and drag it. I'm going to put it in there like that. Alright, so it doesn't want me to open it with Photoshop. Whatever. We'll do it with Paint. So open with Paint, and there it is. I'm going to go like that, and I'm writing stuff on the wallpaper. And we're going to go File, Save As. Don't want to save it as a JPEG. I want to save it as a .png. Press Save. Yes. Okay. So now there's the icons. Here's all the icons that are in this theme. So these are all the custom icons. The rest of them are going to be default. So let's say I don't like, what one don't I like? Oh, let's get rid of this installer one. Let's put a different one that I have downloaded onto my computer. So let's go. We're going to go delete that one, yeah, and then we'll go back and say I have an installer icon that I like. So I like this one. So we're going to go copy, and then we'll go back into the theme, go to icons, and we'll go paste. And it's somewhere in here. Where is it? There it is. There's the installer icon. Now, if you want to make your own icon, you have to make sure that it's saved as a PNG and that the name of the file is the exact name of the app. So it's installer app, and it has to be spelled exactly the same, capitalization and all that crap. So that's all good, and then you can edit these in Photoshop and Paint as well. You just right click and you press edit and blah 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 blah. So now I've got this theme all good to go, but I don't want it saved as Louis Mantia, so I'm going to change the name of that. We'll type it in as custom. It's being used by the other. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of that. Close that. Alright, so now I'm going to change the name of this to custom. So now it's custom theme. I'm going to reopen my iPhone browser, and it's connecting to my iPhone. I'm going to go to var, mobile, library, summerboard, themes. Okay, so now I'm in my themes. Now there's the old Louis Mantia one. So I'm going to click on this folder, click on the themes folder, then go back into wherever you saved it, and you're going to click and drag the whole file, go over here and drop it. And now the theme, custom, is right there. That's my theme. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is it's going to be in my phone. So I'm going to unplug my phone here. And then I'm going to go into Summerboard, just way over here, click on that, themes, custom, there it is. Alright, let's turn the wallpaper on. It's going to do this, it's going to reload all the stuff, unlock, and there it is. There's my background, it says we on it, and then there's my dock, and there's my installer icon, and it's all the custom icons on there and all that stuff. So hopefully that was self-explanatory enough. If you have any questions, then comment or leave me a message, and I will try and help you out. Thanks for watching.